देश दोस्तों बदल रहा है, देश आगे बढ़ रहा है, नया भारत का निर्माण हो रहा है और हम इस इतिहास का साक्ष्य बने जब हमारे न्यू जनरेशन इंडिया का, हिंदुस्तान का मोदी युग को पढ़ता हो, इस संक्रांति काल का इतिहास को पढ़े, तब हमारे पूर्वजों ने भी कि बदलते हुए देश में कुछ कंट्रीब्यूशन किया था, ऐसा सम्मान न्यू जनरेशन हमें दे, ऐसा देश के लिए कुछ करके जाए, ऐसी आप सबसे मेरी अपेक्षा है। सभी सम्मानित पद्मश्री, पद्म विभूषण से सम्मानित सभी को मैं हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। उपस्थित सभी भाइयों और बहनों को मेरी ओर से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
मेरे सामने यहाँ सब ये प्रतिभाशाली व्यक्तिगण उपस्थित है। इस कार्यक्रम के आयोजक हील फाउंडेशन को विशेष रूप से धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ कि जिन्होंने हमारे इस चिकित्सा क्षेत्र में ऐसे प्रतिभाशाली व्यक्तियों को एक साथ इस कार्यक्रम में आने का और उस कार्यक्रम में हमें उपस्थित होने का अवसर प्रदान किया है। मैं फिर एक बार, फ्रेंड्स, आई एम डिलाइटेड टू पार्टिसिपेट इन इंडियाज फर्स्ट पद्मा डॉक्टर्स गैदरिंग इन द भारत स्वास्थ्य महोत्सव to facilitate the health care change makers, Padma Doctors, for your outstanding contribution to healthcare landscape in India.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आदरणीय स्वदीप जी, उपस्थित मेरे सभी मित्र और भाई बहन। There are people in every sector who believe in the role of Mother India, who want to serve the country, who do their best to establish whatever is good in the society. I think from this podium, I want to thank all those, be it journalists, be it political people, be it the doctors, be it the military people, be it the police guys, be it anyone, and our sweepers, our Safai Karamcharis who worked during that period. I want to thank everyone because it was for our country. And this is an occasion to celebrate all that is good in this country. And there's huge amount which is good in this country. Thank you very much.
Dr. Swadeep Srivatsa and Mr. Anurag Batra. And most importantly, today's hero of the event, all the Padma awardees. It's a great honor and my heartfelt reverence to all of you. Purpose to use. From Tata MD, on this occasion, I would like to make a pledge and an announcement that every Padma awardees today is available here in this hall. On their name, we will plant a tree in whatever the location they choose. If they wanted to plant it in their village, in their house, or any other place of choice, we would like to plant and nourish and harness that plant for rest of our life and continuous this to mark this great event. थैंक यू।
आप सबों को बहुत धन्यवाद, ऑर्गेनाइजर्स को धन्यवाद कि वो आप सबों को यहाँ लेकर आए, और आपको धन्यवाद क्योंकि आपने जो समाज को दिया है वो बहुत कम लोग दे पाते हैं। और मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि विशिष्टता और उत्कृष्टता जिसके भी कार्य में हो उसका सम्मान निश्चित रूप से होना चाहिए, और इसलिए होना चाहिए क्योंकि न सिर्फ वो उस व्यक्ति को प्रेरित करता है और बेहतर काम करने के लिए, पर वो प्रेरणा पैदा करता है दूसरों में कि वो भी अच्छा कार्य करे, उत्कृष्ट कार्य करे। सो द इशू इज रिकग्नाइजिंग गुड वर्क, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लाइक द हील फाउंडेशन हैज रिकग्नाइज्ड गुड वर्क एंड at least given us an opportunity to say thank you to all those who've done extremely good work in life.
I will congratulate Heal Foundation to taking this initiative.
At the outset, I would like to congratulate the organizing committee for organizing this innovative conference in the city of Hyderabad.
We are having the third edition of Ayushman Bharat. Because for us, Ayushman Bharat is not just about that scheme. It's about a healthy India. But I can say that to some extent in creating that awareness about a healthy India, Heal Foundation has played a very important role.
I promise that whenever there is a meeting like this anywhere in the country at any time in the future, I will certainly love to join that meeting. I have to convey all my heartiest greetings, congratulations. Thank you for all the support that senior and new health journalists, essayists, authors, everyone is giving to the cause of health in this country.
To conduct such conferences to improve healthcare system with the help of media persons, because it is just not the doctors or the practitioners or the specialists or super specialists who are responsible for the healthcare, but more than that, it is the media people who take the right viewpoint to the public.
I think this is a tremendous conference. This is health journalism is true empowerment of people, and I'm very passionate about health journalism because these are the journalists who make the public keep their health up.
स्वामी विवेकानंद said in 1897, मेरे हिंदुस्तान को, मेरे देश को 50 साल के बाद आज़ादी होगी. 1897 plus 50, 1947. Then he said, in the 21st century, मेरा देश विश्वगुरु बनेगा, विश्वगुरु. Today, India is a chairman of G20. One world, one health, one family. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. By 2047, when my country becomes 100 years old, we will be the world's leader in everything, in health technology, in health policy, and health of the people. And most important, wellness of the population. The link between the science and society is the media. So Swadeep bridged that link between the science and society, and he established Shield Foundation.
It is a good beginning. It has to spread out more throughout the country, and I'm sure Swadeep will be able to do that. Once it is done, I'm sure the country will be a better place as far as health is concerned.
I'm very happy because fortunately I happen to be here, and it is a special moment where we have been able to meet the galaxy of luminaries of healthcare. I am a big promoter of healthcare ecosystem, and healthcare is going to change the way healthcare is being delivered today. So I think this is a fantastic think tank which can come up with the help of all these diverse luminaries to suggest future healthcare models. So I think this can be a very good think tank to suggest future viable, most suitable healthcare models. I am very happy, and I wish the entire team good luck for future endeavors.
It's not the first, but it's been done differently, and winners do things differently. So what I find very nicely, what Mr. Srivastava has done is he's got the passionate people together. People who are doing it from the heart, who really want to make a difference and want to see that the common man and India takes healthcare forward and that healthcare reaches the people in the real sense. Otherwise, we've got many forums, CI, FICCI, government, which keeps on discussing many things endlessly on these forums. On product innovation, on market access, on healthcare for all. But we keep on going in circles and we really achieve not so much. So I think with the idea which is connected over here, and more to be achieved with passion and by teamwork than anything else. You can move more than by teamwork. So let's hope we can make a difference.
It is very much to be complimented and very much to be saluted, I would say. And very humbly, I would say I am a small change helper, not change maker. We can help all the bodies, including the government. So we should make a multifactorial disciplinary board or club. We should be open to suggestions and also open to discharge their duty towards the society in making primary health facilities stronger. In this context, I would say this is a unique initiative taken by Mr. Swadeep Srivastava, and he is just like a flame, a chingari, and I would wish him great success because he has a spark, and this spark will go a long way. And I wish this club and Swadeep Srivastava and Team Swadeep Srivastava a great success. You are not having a conclave for which I wish a good luck, but you have a system to propagate the message of this conclave throughout the world. You have biggest platforms available, and with the wisdom and with the keenness and with the efficiency of your team, I can foresee that your message will go to the smallest place in India. And that is what we want when we talk of primary healthcare.